Hey everyone, Charlie here. Quick video. I'm going to be replacing the bottom left kind of parking light on my 2014 RX350. I was out last night and noticed that one of them was out. The right one isn't, but the left one is. So I'm going to replace both of them with some leftover LEDs. You might recognize these from another video where I replaced the interior lights to LEDs. So let me show you what I'm talking about here. All right, so let me show you what I'm talking about. On the RX, you've got you got your light housings and stuff there, and you got your center tail light on the top, but you have these two lights on the bottom in the bumper, and these aren't actually reflectors. I think in the 4th gen, and I'm not sure about the newest 5th gen, but the 4th gen RX, these are just reflectors. But in the 3rd gen, there are actually lights in there. So you have 4 areas light up on the back of the vehicle at night. So this one went out. So there's a bunch of videos online about how to do it in different ways. Some involve taking off like some of the covers on the bottom and stuff. One involves moving like the tow hitch or something. But I saw one that did it a couple ways. I think it was Carolina Cowboys that did it. So I'm gonna try his second way, which is basically just sticking your hand up there and feeling around and doing it by hand without removing really anything other than the bulb housing or the bulb thing itself. Not just the bulb, but the little, you'll see what I'm talking about. You unscrew it. So I've got some of these left over. You can see my old bulbs and some of the new ones. These are the T10 style, and I think they will fit. So let's give it a try. So you can see how I've got one that's just out. So I'm gonna replace both of those. So we're gonna look under the car here, and you'll see that there is basically a tow hitch area just underneath the light I was talking about. So if you reach your hand up into here and to the left, you should be able to unscrew it. So we're gonna give that a try right now. I'm gonna lay my phone just kind of like this, so you can kind of see. I've got some gloves on, and we'll see if this will actually work. If I kind of reach up there, feel around. Oh, I got this one. You can twist it. When you're looking at it, it'd be to clockwise. So you can see I can actually moving the light here. See, pull this down. And you can pull it way down into here. All right, and the light's hot, so be careful. You just pull it straight out. Just like so. Like these kind that I got have LEDs on all sides but the bottom. So now I'm gonna connect this. So I got the housing here. Should just go right up and top one direction. Oh, here we go. There we go. And it's pretty bright, right? Good. So now what we're gonna do is now the tricky part is I'm gonna stick it back up into here, find the housing. Maybe we can find it with my finger. See, it's kind of helpful with the lights on. You can kind of see it now. I'm gonna have to twist it this way. So clockwise, if you were looking at it from the other angle, counterclockwise from where we're looking, you have to kind of find the slots that it goes into and before you can twist. Let's see. There is a good amount of room in there. I don't have small hands, but they're probably normal sized. But if you have large hands, it might be a problem. But if you have normal sized hands, I think it's okay. Now I gotta just figure out how to get this thing, which angle to put it. So I'm kind of just twisting it. You can almost kind of see the little mini LEDs if you look real close. I'm trying to figure out how to get this in so I can twist it and have it stay good. Oh, I got it. Oh, I got it. I felt it. It kind of clicks in one angle, and then you can twist it. Then it's secured. It's not coming out. Yeah, it's secured. It's good. All right, so that's good. So now I gotta do the same thing with the other side. All right. Got it. Using my left hand. So if it doesn't work, use your other hand. There you go. Got it. Let's see if you can see it here. You can see it, right? Yeah. So I'm gonna pull this out. This one is dead. It's all brown too, look at it. Ooh. So I use my left hand. So use your right hand on the right one. in your left hand on the left one. So get a new one of these, plug it in. I'm gonna go turn the car back on again and make sure everything is working before I restart it. Hang on. Let's see if the light's on. Looks like it might be. Let me not step on the glass bulb. I don't want that. Okay, yep, it's working. You can see it. Now the trick is how do we get it back in? So loosening it on this side when you're looking at it would be to the clockwise direction, I believe. And then, so if you were from the other side, it would be counterclockwise. And then we're gonna do the opposite. Oh, wow. All right, let me check one more time. I'm gonna unscrew just a bit. And then click it in. Yep, it's in. All right. So obviously a pain. Look at my poor arm, but got it in. It's fixed. So is it possible to do this without taking off a whole bunch of panels and stuff? Yes. Is it easy? That one was easy for me. The right side, I'd recommend using your right hand. The left side was impossible until I started using my left hand. Then it was still very hard. The right side has less stuff in it. So the right side one is easier to fix than the left side one. It's a lot of guessing and feeling around, but it's possible if your arms aren't too big. My arms are not big, but it was still a very tight fit because you have to stick your arm up against that tow hook thing on both sides. But the left side is the worst. So it's fixed, it's good. Thanks for doing that with me, and hopefully it was helpful. And yeah, see you guys later. Bye-bye.